What's going on, everyone? It is spring in Vermont. It's been spring for a while. I've actually gone out fishing for, well, past couple weekends and haven't had much luck. Ooh, this lens is looking a little dusty. Maybe better, but right now it's warm. The water's looking beautiful. I'm just at a little cove right now, but I think the fish might be biting, so I'm not gonna hold you up too much longer. I'm gonna put you on the chest mount and let's get fishing. All right, let's see. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of chatterbait action here. See if that'll get any responses. Oh, it's so pretty. So damn pretty out. Whoa, that's a fish. Hooked fish. Oh my gosh. That didn't feel like a fish at all. Oh crap, he's all hung up. Okay, come on. Alright, cool. That came out of nowhere, but that right there is my first. Oh, that fish is cold. That's my first Vermont fish of 2017. It's a largemouth bass on a chatterbait. A little boot-tail swimbait trailer. That fish is cold, man. He didn't fight very hard. It felt like I was hung up on grass. But hey, we got a fish. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. Awesome. That was like, I've probably thrown less than 10 casts so far today and I've already caught a fish. That's awesome. So it appears that the fish are starting their pre-spawn mode because I'm pretty shallow here. They seem to be pretty aggressive. Whoa, I don't know if you guys saw that. Fish just came up and hit it just before it came up onto the surface. That was cool. Oh, it's a snake. It's a snake. Little chain pickerel for y'all. These guys are nasty. They tear up your baits so bad, and they're all slimy. But another fish on the chatterbait. Come on, get off the hook. They do this a lot. See you later. Just a little paddle tail swim bait. Throw it all the way onto the hook. Nothing special. Just gives the bait a little bit of bulk. Makes it stay a little higher in the water column. I rigged that one too high. Just like that. No big deal. That's all there is to it. There we go. Oh, a drag slipped somehow. Huh. That was another snake though, so not a huge deal. Whoa. Oh, I am hooked on a fish. I wasn't sure if it was a fish or grass. Okay, yeah, it's swimming out to the side now. This feels pretty decent. No. Just a little guy acting all lazy. Not bad actually. Come on in here. There we go. Another little chunky Vermont largemouth and chatterbait. Yeah, these fish still feel really cold. Get out of there. Not a bad little fish though. What a beautiful day to go out too. Man. Right here, we'll let him go. See you later. Oh, yeah. Bye. There we go. Another one. That was the second, not second, that was the next cast in. All right, buddy. Next cast in after that last one. I was thinking of changing up from the chatterbait to something like a weightless Senko, but seeing how he ate that and how I've been doing so far, I don't think I'm going to change. That's a chunky little pre-spawner. This is so much fun. Oh, you got it? Cool. Oh, that's a good one. That's a really good one. Or so it feels. That's not a bad one. Another good largemouth. Calm down, bud. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah. Whew, baby. Look at that hook set with a chatterbait. Another chunk. I haven't even moved from this. Basically what this is right out there. That's the main lake. This is kind of a little cove that comes in, and these guys are getting ready to spawn. They're moving up into those coves, and oh, there's another one right there, starting to feed on bait fish and stuff. Hopefully you guys aren't getting too bored of me using this chatterbait. It seems to be working really well. I don't really want to change until it stops working. I saw a V-weight go into that one. I knew I was going to get hit there. Come on, bud. Whew. Another chunk. Freezing cold, these fish. The bite is so good though. I can't believe it. Like, I'm getting a bite every few casts consistently. Well, I guess this is where I'm gonna fish until the sun goes down. I don't have any reason to stop. See you later. Well, that was some unexpectedly good fishing. I was only out for a little while, probably, what time is it? Probably like an hour, and I caught a decent amount of fish. Seems like they're well into pre-spawn now. I've gone fishing for the past couple of weekends, and I haven't really caught anything. I've found fish really deep, haven't been able to make them bite. This weekend I came back from school, and it's Friday night right now. I just thought, hey, I want to go fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of my other videos. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you on another episode of VT Fishing TV. Peace, guys.